My name is Jerry Adams. I want to express solidarity from Ireland, from Republican Ireland, to the people of Catalonia.
Amics catalans, el referendum és democràcia.
This is a very democratic process, and as everyone has seen, with a big majority of people supporting it.
La decisión de declarar unilateralmente la independencia no me corresponde a mí, como es evidente, es una decisión que tendrá que tomar o no el Parlamento de Cataluña.